are you?
एकदम फाइन. Thank you.
आनंद मंगल.
अंकल.
हाय.
अरे वाह, कल हाय वो. फुल पावरफुल.
किधर जा रहा है?
ए ब्रो. ए व्हाट्स अप? ब्रो बेचारा गाड़ी वाला है तो कैमरा में नहीं रही सके. हम जा रहे हैं जूहू.
हम जा रहे हैं. कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं?
जूहू, सोहो हाउस.
So.
Why?
Why? I am going there. करीबो का इवेंट है इसके लिए.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Soho house में. Karibo has completed 1 year today, and it's a label co-founded by Bhakti Bhanushali and Jasmine Shah, and it's a very proud feeling. Both our sisters are really working hard and it really feels good. अब हम आ गए सोहो हाउस में. संडे का दिन है, चिल माहौल है. Yo bro, how's life? Right, so I am at Soho House, Karibo Gala, and both my sisters Jasmine and Bhakti have completed 1 year. So Karibo has completed 1 year, and इसी खुशी में ये गाला ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट इट्स डूइंग वेरी वेल. Great response out here. It's a beautiful Sunday.
Hi.
Hey, hi, what's up? Can you tell your experience? How's the experience out
Too
here?
good. I just entered, so but then too, its experience is very nice.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Thank you so much, yeah. Congratulations, guys. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. What's up, Vivek?
See, do this also.
Done. मस्त है, crazy idea है ये, but for consumers. Hi Jasmine, can you explain me a bit? What is Karibo custom made lipstick all about?
It's about customizing it.
Obvious, but if you can
I'm gonna explain.
walk me through it, yes.
So basically, what we do is we are actually certified to be child friendly.
Alright.
We are completely edible. Now that I say, it's just because of the food colors that we use. So we use food colors
Alright.
in terms of mixing colors, and there are only 9 food colors. And basically, these are natural ones. So these are either sourced by plants, veggies, or fruits. Correct? So it's a proper commercial lipstick and not a DIY lipstick.
Right.
So we kind of have 2 important ingredients that go in it. One is the kaolin and
Alright.
one is mica. Both are powder based.
Alright.
Kaolin is a clay based ingredient that basically gives a little matte texture and makes the lipstick long lasting. Mica is basically again a mineral based ingredient, ethically sourced, and it basically kind of fills the crack of your lip.
Alright.
Correct? And now, what kind of justifies the texture of your lipstick is the base, which is this. So this is the bullet one, which is infused with aloe and neem oil. And
Alright.
this is liquid one, which is infused with jojoba oil, sunflower oil, vitamin C, vitamin D.
Okay.
So yeah, and comes the important part that all of this smells really nasty. So just to balance the smell, the fragrance out, we use essential oils only. We don't do any synthetic fragrances or anything synthetic.
Alright.
We only do essential oils. There's 7 different kinds, and you can pick whichever you like.
Okay.
And we end the process by giving you a chance to name a lipstick shade.
Amazing.
The fun part, but also the difficult part, you got to think about what you want to name it.
Absolutely.
That's about Karibo.
So, I would love to capture the process, maybe how it's made. So here you, on this chart over here, you
So we blend shades.
you blend shades over here.
Yeah, we blend shades on OHP sheet.
Alright.
Basically, the sheet here, which is the calculator, which actually has like markings.
Right.
We use it when we do a bulk order just to confirm, so we know like what amount of color went where and how much. So this is the process one. This is the sheet where we blend all the colors.
Right.
We do not do anything. So we actually promote sustainability. But
Right.
in our things which are plastic or metal, we use it. But to balance it out, we kind of refill the container. So whenever you use your lipstick, you're completely done using your lipstick. lipstick and you want the same shade again, you can always get back to us and we refill it for you.
Right.
And even for these acetate papers, we kind of use it for more than 100 lipsticks together. So one
Right.
acetate paper, almost 100 lipsticks. And
All
it
right.
goes well.
Okay, amazing. So as a consumer, I see the process right in front of my eyes. Even I can be part of the process. I can make the lipsticks on my own and
Sure. So basically, you can let us know any shade that you like.
Right.
There are no specific shade cards with us. Whichever shade preference you have or you want to describe it, you can describe it. We make it light and shade. Everything is customized into the fragrance, texture, color, everything right here is done in front of you. So you know what goes inside it.
it's all bespoke.
Yes.
Amazing, yeah. Amazing. So it was great interacting with Jasmine and understand all the process behind this. It's really very, it's more about the experience which I feel. It's not just about the lipstick that you buy, but more about the experience. Event अच्छा जा रहा है, but भूख लगी है. Having our olio.
ऑथेंटिक नूडल्स.
क्या हाल गाइस, बस अब शाम हो गई है, थोड़ी देर में घर को निकलूँगा और काफ़ी अच्छा रहा एक्सपीरियंस. इट्स आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग के ऐसे हम लाइक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इवोक स्टोर विद भावेश, तब हम ऐसे इवेंट्स किया करते थे एंड बहुत अच्छा लगता था. आज वो नॉस्टैल्जिया फिर से वापस आ गया. It's nostalgic and it was fun. Great Karibo, keep going and lots of love, lots of luck. And it was a great experience.